What's up YouTube? What's going on? Chana D, your Techno Dad here, and today we're going to unbox a 9-channel amplifier from Monoprice, and it's called the Monolith 9X. But first, a word from our sponsor. If you're looking to start, upgrade, or complete your Dolby Atmos setup, you should check out our show sponsor, Klipsch. They have a wide range of speakers for Dolby Atmos. From floor-standing speakers with built-in Atmos modules, standalone Atmos modules, and Atmos modules that can be used as height speakers, Klipsch has you covered. While you're there, don't forget to check out their specials on Dolby Atmos speakers and speaker packages at klipsch.com. First things first, I want to thank Monoprice for sending this amplifier in for me to review. Thank you guys so much. It is an absolute beast, weighing in over 100 pounds. Good thing they double box it for shipping. After getting it out of the box, I felt like I needed to stretch out. The 9X retails for $2,000 and is a Class AB amplifier. It powers 9 channels. 3 channels at 200 watts per channel, and the remaining 6 channels at 100 watts per channel. It houses 2 ginormous toroidal transformers, which does make it very front heavy. Also included in the box are a power cable and trigger cable. The front panel has a power button front and center under the Monolith logo, and that's pretty much it. The amplifier has lots of ventilation for silent cooling with the oversized heatsinks on the inside. On the back, we have both Xlr and Rca inputs with an input selector for all 9 channels. We have 9 speaker outputs on the bottom, and on the far right we have a power port, main power switch, ground screw, and trigger input at the top. If you need help connecting this amplifier to your AVR, I have already made a video about it that I will link in the description and with the card up top. If you want to offload powering all your speakers from your AVR to this amplifier, it looks like it's a good option for a 9-channel Dolby Atmos setup. Since I am running a 5.1.4 setup, this amplifier is a great fit for me. I will connect it and use it with the Denon AVR X3600H, and since I have to check out the new ARC Genesis, I will also connect it up with the Anthem MRX 720. Now, if you guys have any questions for me about amplifiers, AVRs, or setup in general, let me know down in the comments below or hit me up on whatever social or email you like to use. Well, that's pretty much it for this unboxing and overview video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when the full review video is released. Once again, my name is Chana D. I'm your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Me.